Guided tours are a powerful training tool in Joomla. By default, guided tours auto start as you're navigating through the back end for the first time. But if you want to change that behavior, there are settings that you can adjust. Let's look at that. Brought to you by mysites.guru. Do you have a Joomla site? Of course you do. Head on over to mysites.guru and get a free site audit for it. Hey there, Joomla fans. Tim Davis here. I'm a Joomla fan too. Thanks for tuning in to Maintenance Monday number 309 here in the Basic Joomla channel, where I show you my favorite extensions, tools, and tips for building and maintaining Joomla sites. I also work on Joomla sites, build them, maintain them, migrate them. If you're looking to hire someone short-term or long-term, or even just to get you out of a spot, send me an email, tim@cybersalt.com, and let's talk. Okay, let's turn our attention to the screen. And first of all, let's log into the back end of this site. And when we do so, we will be back here. And now let's go to Menus and Manage. And we're greeted by a guided tour. Now, if this was a brand new Joomla site you've installed and you already know how to do the things that are teaching, or maybe you've logged on to someone else's site, they've given you a logon profile, and you don't want to see the tours as you're navigating through, here's what you can do. First of all, to hide tours only for yourself. We'll click Cancel. We'll go to Users, go to your user profile, and then under the Basic Settings tab, look for Allow Auto Starting Tours and change it from the default, or if it's at yes, change it to no, and then save and close, and guided tours will not appear for you at all anymore. Now, I'm not going to say this because I want to show you the next scenario, which is if you want to turn off certain guided tours. Let's say for some reason, whatever that reason might be, you don't want all of the guided tours to automatically show up for users in the back end of the site. To change that, you would go to System, Guided Tours, and then pick the tour that you don't want to auto start. And let's not auto start the How to Create a Guided Tour. Click in there and scroll down, look on the right hand side to auto start yes, and switch that to no. And then of course you would go save and close. And now How to Create a Guided Tour is not going to automatically pop up. But let's suppose that you didn't want those guided tours to auto start for anyone. You still want them to be available through the tour button at the top of your admin area, but you don't want them auto starting ever for anyone. In that case, while you're in the guided tours area, go up to Options, and you'll see Allow Auto Starting Tours. Change that to No. Also, as a pro tip, you can leave this at yes, and then just change how many minutes in between when people are asked if they want to take a tour. So for instance, if you want them to be asked only once a day to take a tour they've never hidden, it's 1,440 minutes. Subscribe for more videos. Until the next time, enjoy your Joomla sites, and God bless.